Today we're testing how the aeration roller works on dry soil. This yard has been left alone all summer, and the drought has wiped out more than half of the grass. Now it's early September. Perfect timing to start a lawn renovation. And that makes it a great chance to see what kind of results we can get on ground that's really dry and in poor condition. Originally, I planned to do all this work after some rain, but it hasn't rained here for over 2 weeks, and the forecast says we won't see any rain in the coming week either. So, before aerating, I gave the soil a quick 5-minute watering. I know that's nowhere near enough. But hey, this is just a test. While pushing the roller, I could clearly feel how hard the soil was. The spikes even bounced a little, but even so, it still managed to pull out soil cores about 2 inches deep. This product has one really obvious advantage. Even on ground this hard, the two wheels stay firmly on the surface and roll smoothly. There's no need to worry about keeping balance. You just push it forward and let it do the work. When you pull it backward, the spikes don't insert into the soil. That makes changing direction really easy. From this test, we can see that even on dry and compacted soil, it still delivers solid results, proving that this product is really outstanding. But if we water the ground properly or do the work right after a rainfall, the aeration will be much more thorough and the job will also be a lot easier for us. From the soil cores we pulled out, you can see the soil is very dry from lack of water, and its condition is really poor. It's time to add some lime and compost to improve it.